Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're really doing well, and during this time please keep safe and stay home. So this video is another DIY that I made for table centerpieces. All the material will be in the description box below. These arrangements were not really permanent, so you could change and modify them the way you want. I just want to show you my arrangement. And if you're new here, you're very welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos that I'll be uploading. Thank you so much. Let's begin. For the first project, I picked up these two mirrors from the Dollar Tree. One was relatively bigger than the other, and I used Podge to put the glitter on the outer parts of the frame. I wanted to keep the black inner line, so I cover it with tape so I don't mix it up with the glitter. I then left it for 20 minutes to dry, then applied the second layer of the glitter and let it dry again before I applied the last layer of Mod Podge to seal the glitter. I did this for both the frames. This is how they look like when they were dry, so I put the mirror back into the frame. So I picked these from the 99-cent store, and these would be the legs for my stand. Just join them with the glue and seal them. I then used the hot glue to glue these legs onto the mirror, the back of the mirror. I got these organizers as well from the 99-cent store, so I just joined them together. They have a way of glittering, so I thought this would be nice to just add on my stand. So just join them and then glue them onto the mirrors. Didn't like the inner line for this frame, so I decided to add the square mirrors on the outings and just to cover the missing parts with the big gems, and yeah, turned out so well. This is how the final piece looks like. I ended up adding bling to cover up the glue right there in the middle, but this is it. So you can use it as a perfume holder or a table centerpiece. For the second project, I got these two L-shaped cardboards. They came with my refrigerator, so I thought this would be good for my project. I spray painted them silver and then covered them with silver bling using the hot glue. I then got two other photo frames and removed the mirror as well, the glass part, so I covered it up with glitter, silver glitter as well. After the first layer, I let it dry again, then applied a second layer of the glitter, and then sealed it up with Mod Podge. Left it for almost 2 hours to dry. It took some time, but I wanted the upper part to remain glassy, so the glittering part will be covered up. I then put, once the glass was dry, I put it back into the frame. Maybe one part I missed is I painted the frame also silver using the same paint that I used before. So the glittering part is the one that will be on the bottom. The glassy part will remain on top. Then I added mirror blocks on the frame. These mirror blocks are self-adhesive, so they have already the glue. You just have to attach it. Yeah. This next step is basically to glue down the frames onto the cardboard using a hot glue. As I was doing this, I noticed that the mirror was a bit shaky, so I had to glue it fast before I could glue them onto the cardboard. I got 3 heart-shaped vases from the Dollar Tree just for this arrangement, but you can modify it the way you want. I did not glue anything because I wasn't sure if that's the arrangement I needed, but this is what I ended up with. I put pearls and candles into the vases. If you want a temporary bond, you can just use hot glue. But if you want this as a permanent arrangement, then you have to use E6000 because that's the only thing that will work on glass. But this was my arrangement, and I hope you loved it. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And may God bless you in this time. I have other videos actually in my description box. Please check them out. And thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.